Number 3.
What the freak?
Yes! Thank you very much. Let's give it. My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Yan. So, para malaman ko yung number ni England, I have to be inside of your head. Do I have consent?
Yes po.
Okay, good.
Full consent.
Okay. So, I can sense that you're a type of person na, alam mo, kahit nandito siya ngayon, medyo mahihiyain ka. Mahihiyain ka, nahihiya ka pag on the spot ka. Katulad ngayon, kahit nag-volunteer ka, meron kang na phobia, nandito ka, pero mahihiyain ka talaga.
Yes.
Pag may gusto kang sabihin, pinag-iisipan mo siya many times kasi ayaw mong nakakasakit ng ibang tao.
Right.
Yeah. Sensitive ka. Kaya hindi mo pinili yung mataas o yung una, pinili mo yung pinakagitna, number 3.
What the freak?
Yes! Thank you very much. Let's give him a big hand.